Hello everyone, I am Juhi Sinha and recently I have qualified UGC NET December 2023. I would like to thank the whole team of ASS Science Foundation for helping me out to crack this exam. Especially I would like to thank Dr. Gaurav Sharma, Manisha ma'am and Sumit sir for helping me out. I would also like to tell you that ASS Science Foundation provides you with a wholesome study material, including four color booklets, previous year questions starting from 2012, and other supplementary books, which would be more than enough for you to crack this exam. I would also like to tell you a strategy that Gaurav Sharma sir always tells us, that in paper 1 you only need to answer correctly 35 questions out of 50, and in paper 2 you need to correct 70 questions out of 100 to crack this exam. And at last I would like to thank all the team members of ASS Science Foundation for making this journey very smooth for me. Thank you.